Church is not of silver and gold. Its glory lies beyond judgments of souls. The commandments are of consolation and woe. You know our sacred dream won't fail. Sanctuary tender and so frail. The sacrament of love, the sacrament of warmth is true. The sacrament is you. I hear you weep so far from me. I taste your tears like you're next to me, and I know my weak prayers are not enough to hear. Oh, the ancient wounds so deep and so dear. The revelation is of hatred and fear. Sacrament of love, the sacrament of warmth is true. The sacrament is you. Your sacred dream won't fail. The sanctuary tender and so frail. The sacrament of love, the sacrament of warmth is true. The sacrament is you. Sacred dream won't fail. The sanctuary tender and so frail. The sacrament of love, the sacrament of